Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Maths Content. Let's solve the question number 10 of end of chapter exercise of chapter 1, grade 9 mathematics, orienting yourself, the use of coordinates. So question is use the connection you found to find the coordinates of B given that M is the midpoint of A and B. What they are saying, आपको वो कनेक्शन यूज करना है जो आपने क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 में यूज किया था. ठीक है. यहाँ पे क्या फाइंड करना है हमें बी के कोऑर्डिनेट्स. We have given coordinates of M which is midpoint. We have given one of the endpoint A 3 comma minus 4. We have to find out another endpoint. Okay, so we will use the concept of average. So here what is given to us? Coordinates of midpoint minus 7 comma 1 which is midpoint of A and B. A के कोऑर्डिनेट्स हमारे पास है, B के हमें निकालना है. क्या फॉर्मूला था हमारा कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ मिड पॉइंट का? एवरेज ऑफ टू एंड पॉइंट्स. तो x1 plus x2 means 3 and x. y1 plus y2 means minus 4 and y divided by 2. So let's put values. Midpoint is minus 7 comma 1. x1 is 3. x2 is x. We have to find out x. Minus 4 plus y divided by 2. Okay. Now let's compare x coordinate and y coordinate from LHS and RHS. ओके. सो x कोऑर्डिनेट देखोगे आप LHS में तो -7 है और यहाँ RHS में 3 plus x divided by 2. Let's compare them. Okay. 2 is in denominator, so it will go to multiplication in RHS. So we will have 3 plus x equals to -7 into 2, which will be -14. Now let's do transposition of 3 to RHS. So it will be x equals to -14 minus 3. Minus minus plus, answer will be -17. X coordinate आपको -17 मिल गया. Now let's compare y coordinate from LHS and RHS. So we will have 4 minus 4 plus y divided by 2 equal to 1. 2 will go to RHS in multiplication because it is in denominator. So minus 4 plus y equals to 1 into 2, which will be 2. Minus 4 will go to RHS. So it is negative, so it will be positive. So y equals to 2 plus 4, y equals to 6. So finally we got the coordinates of B, which are -17 comma 6. Okay. So this is the solution of question number 10. Like, share and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much.